In the heart of Bangladeshi cuisine lies a treasure trove of flavors, simplicity, and tradition that resonates deeply with the culture and history of the region. Among the myriad of dishes that define this culinary landscape, Vorta, or Bhorta, stands out as a beloved staple, encapsulating the essence of home cooking. These mashed preparations, often made with a handful of ingredients, are a testament to the art of enhancing natural flavors and showcasing the richness of local produce and seafood. They are simple yet profound, offering a sensory experience that connects generations. Vorta comes in various forms, each reflecting the diversity of ingredients available in Bangladesh. At the forefront are the vegetable varieties, which are both vibrant and comforting. Take Alu Bhorta, for instance. This eggplant mash is a celebration of smoky flavors, achieved by roasting the eggplant until it is tender and infused with a charred essence, mixed with mustard oil, chopped onions, and a sprinkle of salt. Alu Bhorta is a dish that embodies the warmth of Bangladeshi kitchens. Its creamy texture, combined with the slight bitterness of the eggplant, creates a delightful contrast that pairs perfectly with steamed rice. Similarly, Alu Bhorta, or mashed potatoes, serves as a canvas for creativity. The potatoes are boiled until soft, then mashed with mustard oil, green chilies, and onions. The result is a dish that is both comforting and piquant, with the mustard oil adding a distinctive sharpness that elevates the humble potato to new heights. This Vorta is often a family favorite, evoking memories of shared meals and laughter around the dining table. Kumro Bhorta, made from mashed pumpkin, offers another glimpse into the vegetable Vorta category. The sweetness of the pumpkin is beautifully balanced with the heat of green chilies and the fragrance of mustard oil. This dish is a reminder of the seasonal abundance found in Bangladeshi gardens, where fresh produce is harvested and transformed into hearty meals. Each bite of Kumro Bhorta tells a story of harvest, home, and the simple joys of life. Transitioning from vegetables to the coastal treasures of Bangladesh, fish Vorta showcases the rich maritime heritage of the region. Smoky Bhorta, made from dried fish, exemplifies the depth of flavor that can be achieved through traditional preservation methods. The fish is soaked, flaked, and then mixed with onions, green chilies, and mustard oil to create a dish that is both savory and umami-rich. The saltiness of the smoky, combined with the pungency of the mustard oil, creates a flavor profile that is uniquely Bangladeshi, evoking the essence of the sea in every bite. Hilsa Bhorta, another gem of fish Vorta, highlights the iconic hilsa fish, revered for its tender flesh and rich taste. When prepared as a Vorta, the fish is boiled and then mashed with mustard oil, green chilies, and a hint of lime juice. The resulting dish is a true celebration of the hilsa's natural flavors, offering a taste of the riverine landscapes that are so integral to Bangladeshi identity. The delicate balance of flavors in Hilsa Bhorta reflects the deep connection between the people and the waters that nourish them. While vegetable and fish Vorta are the most common, the culinary repertoire of Vorta extends to meat and egg dishes as well. Chicken Bhorta, though less prevalent, brings a unique twist to the tradition. The chicken is boiled, shredded, and then mixed with onions, green chilies, and mustard oil. This preparation results in a dish that is both hearty and flavorful, perfect for those who seek a more substantial accompaniment to their rice. The warmth of the spices and the richness of the mustard oil make chicken Bhorta an inviting addition to any meal. Egg Bhorta, on the other hand, is a delightful expression of simplicity. Hard-boiled eggs are mashed with mustard oil, onions, and green chilies, creating a dish that is both creamy and zesty. The egg's natural richness is enhanced by the sharpness of the mustard oil, making it a perfect partner for a bowl of rice. This Vorta is often associated with comfort, evoking memories of home-cooked meals and the nurturing bonds of family. The magic of Vorta lies not only in its variety, but also in the meticulous attention to detail that goes into its preparation. Mustard oil, a staple in Bangladeshi kitchens, plays a crucial role in defining the flavor profile of these dishes. Its pungent aroma and sharp taste are essential in balancing the richness of the ingredients, while fresh spices like green chilies and onions add layers of complexity. A touch of acidity, often from lime or tamarind, brightens the flavors, ensuring that each Vorta is a harmonious blend of tastes. Texture is another important aspect of Vorta. The ideal consistency is creamy, yet slightly coarse, allowing the natural flavors of the ingredients to shine through. This balance of texture makes Vorta a perfect accompaniment to rice and curries, as it enhances the overall dining experience. The act of mixing Vorta with rice creates a delightful medley of flavors, a ritual that brings families together at the table. Ultimately, Vorta is more than just food. It is a celebration of heritage, family, and the land. Each recipe carries the weight of tradition, passed down through generations, and is often prepared during family gatherings and special occasions. The joy of sharing these dishes transcends mere sustenance. It is about connection, love, and the memories forged over meals. As one explores the diverse flavors of Vorta, it becomes clear that these beloved dishes are a reflection of Bangladesh's rich culinary legacy, an intricate tapestry woven from the land and sea, where every bite tells a story of culture, history, and the enduring spirit of home. In the simplicity of Vorta, one finds the essence of Bangladeshi cuisine, a reminder that sometimes the most profound experiences come from the most humble of ingredients.